Let's go. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to this brand new video, and my name is, the project guy. And today we'll go through this very lecture where we talk about class versus class name. So before even beginning, I would like to tell you guys that class and class name, why and why not. So basically, you cannot use the keyword class in JSX. You have to use class name. So this is what we will learn about JSX in this advanced JSX concepts. There are nothing advanced, basically similar to basics only. Okay, just chill, yaar. Okay. So it says it will take 5 minutes, so we'll try to take less than 5 minutes. So straight away get into this. This lesson will cover more advanced JavaScript XML concepts. You will learn some powerful tricks and some common errors to avoid. Okay, got it. Grammar in JSX is mostly same as HTML, dosto, but there are subtle differences to watch out for, like watch out, kind of watch out, that kind of watch out. And most frequent of these involves the word class. The word class, I don't know what the word class means. In HTML, it's most common to use the word class and then just assign it some string, which we can later on hop on to in order to bring changes or updation throughout our entire HTML element wherever that word class is used. We generally use this for, when we are trying to CSS our entire website, or you know what I'm saying. In JavaScript, you cannot use the word class. Oh, JavaScript XML, XML. You cannot use the word class. You have to word the class name instead. This is because JSX gets transcripted into JavaScript, and the class is reserved word for JavaScript. What the fuck? As I told you, this part, let's say this entire part will get converted into JavaScript. We know that. I have so shown you multiple times in the past, right? So as it will get converted, so it will become a variable, right? This class name is more. Okay, let's just check it out, what it will become. So this is the website. The website's name is babeljs.io. This one. You can just search for BABEL, Babel on Google, and you will get this site. Here, I'll just try to paste in a normal JavaScript variable and JSX expression, and we'll expect it to get converted into pure JavaScript. This side, pure JavaScript, no, pure, that is vanilla JavaScript, and you can see that class name becomes a variable, or let's say key value for big. But instead, if you use the word class, I think it will show up some error. It's not showing error, but it just becomes a variable to store in some value. But class is already, as I said, is a reserved word for JavaScript, so you cannot use it. Just simply use class name. Okay, this is because JSX gets translated into JavaScript. The word class is reserved by JavaScript. क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं? Anyways, when JSX is rendered, JSX class name attributes are automatically rendered as class attributes. This last line makes no sense, but to me at least right now, when JSX is rendered, the class name attributes are automatically rendered as class attributes. Basically, the purpose of using the word class is served even when we use the word class name. Do we really have to precisely use class name as a word? We cannot use other words. I have no idea how classes work in HTML, so we don't care about it right now. And on line 7, declare a new constant. On line 7, like anyways guys, yeah, on line 7, let's declare a new constant named myDev. So it's easy. Oh, okay, myDev, div dev, and we have to declare it as a constant. So let's say myDev, and we assign it and set it to equal to a JSX element called div. Okay, let's just copy this very part here, and inside this we'll just paste this very text, and Give your div the following attribute. The attribute is be given with the name class name, and we'll just paste it right here. Let me just zoom it very closely, and you can see just after this div ends and just before this angle bracket, right angle bracket, let's say, just paste it. And what do we do next? What do we do, sir? We just try to run it. And there is no output in the screen because I think we didn't render it or something. I have not even gone through the code once, so okay. These are importing files. These are importing files from the React libraries. So we use create root from React DOM or React client library only. It is a library element. I don't know what is create root. It's a function. Yeah. So in create root we pass in the container. The container. Basically, this entire shit is used to render stuff. What the fuck happened? No. Something happened. Open file. Oh, thank God. And after that we have written a code called dev, and nothing happened. Okay, underneath your div element, call the dot root render with the div as an argument. Very easy. Under your div, underneath the div element, this entire thing is a div element. Okay, under this, just try to use the root dot render method. You know that in the parentheses, between the parentheses, you can pass an argument. So the argument we would be passing would be what? Would be my div. So what is my div? My div is a variable which contains this JSX expression. So this entire JSX expression will be displayed on the screen. Why? Because root contains, what does root contain? Root contains, let's say, a DOM, and the DOM is based on our container variable, and the container variable is just based on a certain element with an ID name app. Make sense? No? Just go back my previous videos and go through, because I myself have just fluked with it, like partially understood while doing it. Fucking, I don't care. So let's put the semicolon here, and then I run it. Okay. If you have, okay. Let's just follow. If you have rendered div element has the word big, then it should look big in the browser. I don't know what. Okay, there is an error. Oh, there is not an error. I am a big div. Okay, big dick तो नहीं बोला अच्छा big div बोला. Okay, wait a second. क्या कर रहा था मैं? Underneath your div element, call the root render with the my div as an argument. I did. If you render div element as has a class big, then it should give a look in the browser. Let's run it again. My div should equal to a div element. It is equal to a div. Oh, so we have to use a semicolon also. So let's try running it. It is, huh? क्या? थोड़ा सा टाइम है, बस 1-2 मिनट रुको. Element has a class of big. Bye. Let's just type in class of big. No, I think class name ही सही था. I don't know what's the error right now. Underneath the under the div element. Under the div element. What do you mean under the div element? If you render div element has a class big, then it should look big in the browser. Why does it sound? On the last line, you want to call root.render with my div. I did, I did. I really don't know what to do right now. So let's just go and see the solution. Okay, what the fuck? So far, I needed to give space here. Example solution. Anything is entirely same. Oh fuck, you're fucking kidding me, right? Yeah, they are fucking kidding you. Even since they are multi-line, you shouldn't forget to use parentheses. Oh, still not done. Oh, I need to close this properly. Yeah, still not done. I don't know now then. Let's just properly divide it into the place so that it's easily readable. Will it run now? My div should be equal to div element. It is, bro. It is equal to my. Am I writing some spelling mistake? My div, my div. Let's just search div. Class. Let's write class name. Let's just write class. I'm sorry, I'm taking more than. Let's just view the solution again. So, what is the error? Const my div. This entire thing is same, bro. Okay, let me just replicate it. Let me just try replicating it. Okay, just exactly same. Sometimes it happens that our code doesn't actually follow through, even though everything is just right. In those cases, you have to just be a little bit careful. And let's try comparing. Fuck, makes no sense. Okay. So after that, they say give us space. Okay, we give us space. Now what? Still not running. Let's see. Okay, I have to use the word class name. You see, I'm not making actually sensible or uh, you just kidding me, right? They just wasted our time. The code is exactly same. Just one space which is insignificant. But okay, whatever, it makes sense. So for today, I think we are done. We'll just look into it tomorrow because I have my exams. Bye. Tata. Take care. Hopefully this video made somebody's day. Somebody became happy seeing all my efforts and felt motivated going through this process. See you. Stay motivated. Stay everything. And the bye.